Carnivore. And when it seems my dreams have all slipped through my fingers, where they just can't be found, I turn around, and there they are, shining in her eyes. Napaganda ng kanta. It's for mothers, no? When we are in our deepest uncertainty, darkest hour of uncertainty, she just simply lets me be and goes right on loving me. That's the pure love of a mother. And kanina nabasa ko yung nasulat sa social media, who is a mother? Mother means my first hope, only comfort, true sacrifice, heart of love, endless presence, root of strength. A mother is God's most beautiful gift of unconditional love. Kaya mahalin mo namin, please, huwag mo saktan at may saktan